Howdy everyone, this is Grant with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the L2 Uptown. I've just walked in to the lobby and I'm just trying to show off just what it looks like when you would be walking in. So we're here on the first floor. Everything pretty much starts on the second floor. The garage is located on the first floor. So we're gonna walk up and take a look. We're walking up here. We have already been to the leasing office. We kind of got some keys and some things to get you access so you can see this on this tour. This is what it looks like. We've walked up. And then here is one of the amenities over here. This is a lounge. It's a really cool lounge. We're gonna get you access into that right here. Hold on just a second and get you that access. So we got in and this is what it looks like. So it's a really nice, cool, this lounge, kind of co-working area. There's some free coffee here. And then it's got some great windows, it's got some great views. And then you got some other computer spaces. You got a printer over there, that's pretty cool. And just a really cool area just to kind of work during the day. So this is what it looks like here. There's a free Wi-Fi, of course, you can grab that. And then over here, again, you got the leasing offices there. And then let's pop into here and you can see the access here. This is gonna be where the pool is. Well, let's get that access, okay. Well, okay, there we go. All right, so we got that. Pool area is gonna be over there. There's gonna be another pool lounge that's over there. We'll check that out in a separate video. You have restrooms over here. And then just kind of a general area where you can go to the apartments and things like that. So this is what it looks like, kind of the layout. There's a mailroom area here too. This is basically the layout where you start to see the amenities and just kind of gives you, where you are your starting point. Now we're gonna take a video. We're gonna go into the pool area that's over there. Let's do that on the next video. If you have any questions of anything you're seeing here on this L2 Uptown video, send me a text, just say, hey, would love to get a little more information about the L2. Okay, now let's go outside and let's see that pool.